The fundamentally current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $118,341,577, which especially is genuinely critical. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense remained at $13.68, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slides EMA10 basically shows an extremely descending pattern in a quite enormous manner. 11 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, in every way that really matters, is Avax a kind of wise speculation, which fundamentally is very critical. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on in a very significant manner. However, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Avax specialized examination, explicitly let us certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781 in an extremely huge manner. The all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $26,637,099,388 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, or so they really thought. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a value decline of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period in an especially huge manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 1.93 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which especially is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market is going in a fundamentally descending heading for kind of present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Right now, a kind of broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely large manner. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So Avax United States dollar medium-term support essentially remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers generally become essentially more beautiful dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Which certainly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors truly become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The very current torrential slide cost in every practical sense is $9.43, with an exchanging volume of $118,341,577 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63. Following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period, or so they sort of thought. Presently, Avax especially is somewhere near 3.14% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,343,516,396 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value investigation. Avax cost examination for 11 October 2023, inside an everyday time period, basically made sense of beneath. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the torrential slide. Exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an especially descending course for commonly present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value lessening of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While Avax's Williams %R marker generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange most certainly signal in every practical sense, is all things considered, conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every way that really matters. All the more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely huge way. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker by and large, is showing an extremely present moment in a real sense, sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath exceptionally signal line which in every way that really matters, implies generally bears for the most part are overwhelming in the market in an especially huge way. The torrential slide especially has especially break all its basically upholds levels, and things really are not looking great for the crypto market, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, or so they generally thought. As of now, in every practical sense, bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Avax cost underneath the pivotal help level of $14.76, exhibiting that Avax United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at $13.68. The especially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI essentially is at 29. Which in every practical sense shows that presently, in a real sense, bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Avax cost underneath the urgent help level of $14.76. Exhibiting that Avax United States dollar medium-term support fundamentally remained at $13.68, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Ends there truly had been a for the most part bad pattern for quite a while. And it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in every practical sense go on as lovely long as it all things considered stays in the rosy region, exhibiting how the sort of current exchanging volume